back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be unboxing the Yeezy Boost 350 V2s in the Sesame colorway. Now this is set to drop tomorrow, the 23rd of November, which is Black Friday, and the retail price is 340 Australian dollars. Now before we get into the unboxing video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you like unboxing videos, and hit that subscribe button because I upload every Wednesdays and Sundays, so you guys don't want to miss out. And let's just get into it. So just like all the other 350 V2s, it comes in this box, so let's just go ahead and open this up. These are what the Sesames look like, and to be honest, in person I think they actually look really good. In photos I thought they'll be too similar to the cream colorway, which is this one over here, but as you guys can see, this one is a lot wider, whereas this is more of a grey creamy beige color, which I think is really nice. It kind of reminds me of a combination of the Oxford tan and Moonrock combined together, and you sort of get this really nice cool tone grey beige color. So if you don't already own a pair of light colored V2s, then I would highly recommend picking up a pair of these. In terms of silhouette, we're all pretty familiar with the V2 silhouette at this point. There's nothing too much to say about it that's different. The only key difference would be the sole. So you guys can see over here, they've done like a contrasting panel in a gum sole, which I think matches the shoe really well. This is actually the first new colorway of the 350 V2 silhouette that they've dropped this year. If you think about it, they've done only re-releases of this silhouette this year, which is the creams over here, and they've also done the re-release of the zebras a few weeks ago. So this is brand new to this year, and I am a huge fan of this color. And to give you guys another comparison, I have the 500s in the blush color, and they are kind of similar in some ways, if you can tell, but obviously this is a little bit lighter. The Salt 500s will be coming out really soon though, so I reckon that would be way more similar, but as you guys can see, there's some sort of resemblance in terms of the color and the tones. When you look at the sole, you guys already know there is the Boost technology in all the 350s, so they're super comfortable. And in terms of sizing, I always recommend going at least half a size up or even one full size up for the Yeezy V2s because they do fit small. They are quite narrow in the toe box area. Keep in mind that the knit does stretch a little bit over time. Personally for me, I've gone a full size up in the V2s. I'm usually a men's US 6, but in all my V2s, I wear a men's US 7. So yeah guys, that is the V2s in this Sesame colorway. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this color. Personally for me, I'm a huge fan of it. If you don't already own a pair of light colored Yeezys, then I would highly recommend picking up a pair because I think these look really good. Again, the release date is tomorrow, the 23rd of November, and they will be available at Sneakerboy, and it is first come first serve, so make sure you get there early. Tomorrow the store opens at 10 o'clock, so get there a little bit before then so you have a chance of copying a pair. There are a few places that are running raffles for them, so hopefully the raffles are still open by the time I upload this video, but I'll list them in the description bar below anyway, so you guys can check it out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you guys want to learn new ways to lace your Yeezys, I actually did a video a while ago showing you guys a few new ways that you can lace your Yeezys, so you guys can check that out. And subscribe to my channel because I upload every Wednesdays and Sundays, so you guys don't want to miss out. And I'll see you guys really soon. Bye. And the Moonrock, I was gonna say like Moon Street, like what? These will, I'll compare it to the 350s in the 350s, this is 500. I have the 500s in the salt color. Salt, I'm not that team earlier, okay?